my 2013 Dodge Charger. Yeah, I know we need a wash. I know. Do the inside. So yeah. We need this thing nice and detailed. Woo! Yeah. I know. I've been busy, y'all. I've been busy. Don't judge. You want my signs off. I'm sorry, boys. I know y'all wondering why I got a shovel. Well, in Chicago, it's a lot of snow on the ground, and you will get stuck. What is? I just found something. One. Hey. Let's start detailing it though. Let's get it right. Alright, so let's get to it. Ooh, my car is messy. Mi carro es muy sucio. Okay, so right now I'm just finna empty all the trash, all the big parts. Just dump it out. Let's get going. Oh, there goes her shit. I was looking for that. So I'm getting underneath all there, picking everything up. You ain't got no special trash bags, hey, use a plastic bag. It don't matter. Just get that stuff out. Push the seat up so we can get underneath. Same routine. We finna get all that. Make sure you get underneath all the seats, underneath everywhere. We finna bring it back to life, baby. It's looking better already. But we still got some more work to do. Alright, let's do the front. Same thing. Move the seat back. We're finna empty everything you need. Get all in the cup holders, get everywhere you can. Glove compartment, everything. Alright, so let's vacuum this. Let's get this junk off. Shit, it's looking good again. Hey. Get all in the cracks. Same thing, we finna do the same thing. Ooh, wait, what is that? Don't matter, let's get it. Yep, so bringing out the steamer, baby. Finna get all in the cup holders. A little detail brush, wipe it down. That steamer work magic, baby. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just basically just spraying. Getting up the dirt, steaming it down, wiping it off, mopping it off. Hit the glass, light mist. Hit the vent. D-Mac on the fucking Yeah, I'm getting all up in there with the steamer right now. Getting all around there, hitting that glass. Make sure you hit them vents, man. So you hit that vent, clean it up. Look, smoke coming out the other vent. Ooh, ooh. Look at that, still smoke. Vents again. No, I'm just playing. Alright, so get that off the back seat. Scrub it down, wipe it off. Look at all that dirt came off that towel. Get them cup holders. Get that little spot off. Get it down. Ooh. Alright, so let's get the mat. Normally I vacuum it down, but I ain't see it at the time, so just wipe it down. It's gonna get cleaned anyway. Spray it down with some good APC. Steam it up. Then we're gonna mop it off. Look at that. Haven't cleaned these in maybe over a year. I'm gonna get some new ones. Just want to show y'all it can get clean still. I'm gonna do a lot of videos. Same routine. APC, steam it down. Ooh.
Well, guys, here go the finished product.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, nice and clean. That spot gone. Ooh, that came up clean. All that on the back gone. That's paint. Couldn't get that off, but let's keep going. Negative. Lost video footage, but whoo. We back, baby. I even put my bulls back on there. Pooh, what's up, man? D-Roll, MJ, Pip.